Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at how to edit the existing dimension style that we have. So we're taking an example where you've got already dimensions, and as you can see from the project, the dimension line interacts with, for example, the drawings. So we want this dimension line to, as you can, when you zoom in, you can see one of the extension line is starting directly in the wall. So we want to avoid that. We want to put some order in that. So this video is all about it. So how do we proceed? Very simple. We just select, let's say we want to amend the dimension style that we have in the first row of dimensions. So we select it and then we go to edit. All right, so we're going to duplicate it. All right, now normally I use a text thickness of 2 millimeters, so I'm going to change that to 2 millimeter Arial. I'm not going to change the font type. All right, so this is Arial. I'm just going to shorten that box. All right, and then we're going to go into the detailed parameters and see how, by changing the value here, the text, the dimension style is going to be updated. All right, so the leader, we don't have any leader, but let's say if we are having a leader, we want the leader tick mark to be, let's say, an arrow 30 degree. All right, so filled, let's say filled 20 degrees, show leader away from origin. So currently we don't have that, so we've got a tick mark. So we're going to have it changed to arrow fill 20 degree, and then we apply. Okay, so we're going to see the, let's say we change it. All right, so you can see the change. We've changed the arrow, the tick, into an arrow. So we select it again and we continue. We go to edit. All right, so then dimension line extension. So we can change it. All right, so we put it to 0. I think it's going to work. All right, now you can see that the extension goes away. All right, so if I put it back to 1 and I apply, just observe next to the arrow here, you've got an extension line. So I don't want that, so I'm going just to put it to 0. And then when I press on apply, it goes. Flip dimension line extension, so this is not anything. Witness line control, gap to element. All right, so I want it to be fixed to dimension line. All right, so I want this line to be fixed. I don't want it to start at the intersection of, with the wall. I want it to be next to my arrow. So this is what I've done. Fix to dimension line, and then I press on apply, and you can see that it goes up. Now I want to fix the witness line to 2.4, or if I want it to be 2. All right, so then I flip the other one to 2, apply, and this is what I'm going to have. All right, so I go down. Okay, okay, now if I want to change the color, well, you can still change the color. Okay, and I apply it. All right, it's going to become evident once I'm done with it. So this is how we do it. I go back and edit. All right, we were here, so then we go into the text. All right, now if I want the text size to be 2, So I put it to 2, and you're going to see that there is a change in the size. All right, I want it to be offset at 1 from the line. If I want to change it to, let's say, 2, you're going to see that the text goes further up. But I think 1 is fine enough, so I'm going to put it back to 1. All right, now if I want to change the text, this is where I do change it. I want it to be Arial black, so you can see the change. All right, so I'm putting it back to Arial because this is what I like to see. All right, now the others, well, we're going to leave it as is. All right, so these are the changes we can make. All right, and all the changes you want to see with the dimension style is here. So once you're done, you press OK, and it's done. All right, and again, if I want to change these to what I have there up, so I just select them. I can select all of them, press Control, and then I select each and every of them. All right, so even here, I can select this one, Control, select, all right, and then I just come here and set it to what has been dimension line most recently used to. All right, so it changes to the new style. All right, so that's how you proceed with changing the dimension style from tick to diagonal, or you can change it the way you want. All right, so that's all from me. Thank you.